Okay, product rule. So, dito medyo challenging siya. Mag-start tayo sa notation. So, kapag kinukuha ang derivative ng function, ang ginagamit na notation ay f prime x. So, for example, derivative of f of x, sorry, naiwan, f of x. So, kapag kinuha mo ang derivative niyan, ang notation is f prime x. So, yun. Yung may quote lang dyan. Yep. Okay. Then, for example, you have two functions, and then sa product rule, ang ginagawa mo is kinukuha mo yung derivative nung dalawang function na pinag-multiply. So, ang derivative niya ay f prime x. So, ito una, kukunin mo derivative, and then multiply to gx plus the other way around, fx times g prime x. So, derivative of gx. So, for example, you have f of x equals 3x square minus 2x, and then g of x equals x raised to 4 plus 1. So, first thing first, take the derivative of these two functions individually. So, you have f prime of x and then g prime x. Then take the derivative, just the power rule. So, for 3x squared, the derivative of that using power rule is 6x minus derivative of 2x minus 2x, negative 2x, I mean, sorry. So, negative 2 using the power rule still. And then, derivative of gx, you have 4x cubed, power rule, sorry, 3 yan plus 0 kasi ang derivative ng constant is 0. So, ayun. And the next step is you form this. So, you'll just have to substitute since you already have this 4 solved. So, this is given and then these are the two that you've solved. So, just substitute. So, you have f prime x, sorry, ito. And then gx, ito. fx, ito yon. And then g prime x, ito yon. So, yun, substitute mo lang. So, following that, you have 6x minus 2. So, when you're substituting, you should always use parentheses so that it won't confuse you. So, g of x, x raised to 4 minus plus 1 yan, sorry. And then, plus, so, follow mo lang yun, ito na, 3x square minus 2x. Then, g of x. Hindi, ito, dito pala tayo, sorry. G prime x. Times 4x cube. Yan. Next thing is, you simplify. So, when you're multiplying two binomial, you have to use the FOIL method. So, FOIL method means first, this one, first, and then outer, FO, outer. So, yung mga magkabi ng dulo. Then, inner, itong dalawa. And then, last. Okay, so that's the FOIL method. That's why it's called FOIL. Then, how do you do that? So, just have to multiply. So, first is 6x times x raised to 4. So, that is 6x raised to 5. Kasi, pinagpa-plus ng exponent pag nagmumultiply ng same variable. And then, outer naman, plus, so, the sign is dependent on the value that you're multiplying. So, since positive to, so 6x plus 6x lang. And then, inner, negative 2 times x raised to 4. So, that will be minus 2x raised to 4. 4 yan na, sorry. And then, outer. Negative 2 times 1. So, that's minus 2. Plus, for this case, you have a monomial or single term, and then binomial, 2 terms. So, what you're gonna do here is that you just have to distribute the single term to both of these terms. So, what you will have there is 4x cubed times 3x squared. So, that's 3 times 4 first, 12, and then you plus their exponent, so x raised to 5. and then this 2 naman. So 4x cubed times negative 2x. So first the numbers minus negative 8, because negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Then you plus the exponents. So that's x raised to 4. Ayan. And then after that, you look at the terms that you can simplify. So you can simplify the terms if they have the same exponent of the variable. So here, you have raised to 5. Kung meron pang raised to 5 dyan, pwede mo siyang i-plus yung coefficient. So you have 6x raised to 5, and then you have here 12x raised to 5. So 6 plus 12 is 18. Tama ba? 18. And then you just copy the variable with exponent. So x raised to 5. And then plus, look for other term that has the same exponent. So this one don't have same exponent. So just write it 6x kasi wala naman ibang may x. And then this one, negative 2x raised to 4. I see one here, negative 8x raised to 4. So you can combine them. So that is, so negative 2 plus negative 8, that is negative 10. I hope you're not confused. X, and then copy the exponent. Next thing is, you have minus 2. Usually, okay, that's later. That's for later. Minus 2 plus, wala na, kasi ito kinumbine natin dito, di ba? Kaya naging ganito. Then ito, kinumbine natin dito, kaya naging ganito. So wala na yan. So kahit wag mo na i-continue yung plus dyan. And then usually, this is what they do. They arrange the terms such that the exponents are decreasing or is decreasing. So first, you put this 18x raised to 5 first, because that's the highest exponent, and then you put this one next, right, to the first term, which is 18x raised to 5. So minus 10 raised to 4 plus 6x, ito na, minus 2. So ayun na yung derivative.